We are the 7th grade gifted students of the St. Clair School District. Our dream educational space is a new gifted classroom.
My name is Maya Basin, and I am the project manager, writer, and interior designer.
My name is Lily Verrett, and I'm the architect.
My name is Matea Casey, and I'm the engineer.
Our problem is that we do not have enough space or the proper resources to reach our full potential in our current classroom.
A bond issue was placed on the June 2020 ballot. It passed. Now it will allow the district to make upgrades and improvements. Some community and faculty priorities are entrance security, traffic and facility safety, roof repairs, and a weather-protected auditorium.
We considered several spaces, like the Wonder Red building, the choir and band rooms, the maintenance building, and the auditorium. For inspiration, we looked at examples of classrooms and sustainable living options, such as rainwater harvesters, solar panels, and inverted umbrellas.
This is an aerial view of the St. Clair School District campus. This is where our Gifted Center will be located. The blue square on the diagram represents the location of our Gifted Center. It will be located in our current auditorium.
During planning, we created a list of pluses and deltas for the auditorium. Some of our pluses were that it could be used for other events, it has a stage, and there are easily accessible bathrooms. Some deltas were that there is no sink and there are multiple levels. We sent out a survey and we received many responses back. We asked questions like, what would you change about your current Gifted Center? And what do you feel is most important to include in our new Gifted Center? As you can see, some of our priorities are an outdoor workspace, a sink, and a green screen.
This chart has some needs and wants. We want a sink. We need things like a sink, storage, and flexible seating. We want things like a kitchenette, a conference room, and large partition walls.
Here are some examples of spaces that meet our needs and wants. We want a classroom that has flexible seating and lots of natural lighting. For our makerspace will include desktop computers, robotics tables, and a sewing area.
Our kitchenette and conference room will be combined spaces. Our kitchenette will include a microwave, refrigerator, oven, stove, and a sink. The conference room will have a large smart TV for presentations and a glass wall that will function as a dry erase board while still allowing us to view the hallway.
The video room will include a green screen and professional video equipment. We'll also remodel the stage so it's more modern and more safe. Here are our bubble diagrams with our wet areas, our construction areas, and our stage.
Here's our blueprint. It shows what will stay and what will go. This is our Google SketchUp. It includes our classroom, conversation area, stage, and video production area. It also has our construction area and makerspace, along with all of our storage. This is our conference room and kitchenette and our bathrooms.
Our model will use recyclable materials such as CDs, aquarium plants, glue caps, little umbrellas, and insulin pods.
Here are pictures of our models. Our model includes a stage, our video production area, our classroom and conversation area. It also shows a wheelchair accessible ramp to the stage. It also has our construction area and makerspace, all of our storage, a conference room and kitchenette, our bathrooms. On the roof, it shows our solar panels and our rooftop garden. Our rooftop garden has a rainwater harvester, inverted umbrellas, benches and tables, and our life is chessboard.
Gifted kids have special needs. We have psychomotor, sensual, emotional, and intellectual intensities. We also have many twice exceptional students. To meet these needs, we will have flexible seating, spacious rooms with partitions, and a calming corner.
Our Gifted Center will be healthy, safe, and eco-friendly. It'll include a glass wall so we can see outside and get natural lighting. It'll also have fire alarms, sprinkler systems, and it'll have recyclable building materials, dual flush toilets, and gray water systems. Inverted umbrellas on our rooftop garden harvest water and solar energy while providing shade. The water will be used to garden our plants. Also, our solar panels will generate enough energy to sustain our building.
Our rooftop garden is eco-friendly. Not only will it use plants to filter the air, it will provide healthy foods that we'll use in our kitchenette and cafeteria. The external wall will be made from recycled glass. We also have a unique rainwater harvester that collects water with inverted umbrellas, collects solar energy, and is filtered to water our plants. The rooftop garden will include a thick external clear wall made from recycled plastic, benches and tables, a solid wall separating air conditioning from the garden, and continuous stairs from the existing stairs. Our Gifted Center will include smart spaces, professional video equipment, and augmented reality curriculum.
For our floors, we will use textured poured epoxy and LVT. LVT stands for luxury vinyl tile. The benefits of using these are that they have a long durability. For our seating, we will use vinyl and silicone bases with woven covers. Also, there will be couches and comfortable chairs surrounding the stage for our audiences. The community will be involved in our Gifted Center in many ways, including the Junior High Robotics Club, makerspace visits, and community performances. The conference room will also be open for public use, and our rooftop garden will also be available to students before and after school. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to share our ideas with you, and we hope that you will consider our proposal.
This is our video that will summarize our proposal and give you a tour of our Gifted Center.
Do you have any questions?